next focus and connection exercise we're going to do is called the orientation game. Now this exercise gets our dogs used to orientating back towards us in the environment. It's used if you need to distract them for anything, or if you see something in the distance that you don't want them to encounter, then this can be really good, and it also really does build up their focus and connection with you. So you're going to ask your dog for a sit, you're going to mark that sit with yes, and you're going to throw a piece of food out for your dog to get. So your dog will get up from the sit, go and get the piece of food, and then they will make a decision. They will decide whether to start scanning the environment, have a look what's going on around them, or to look back and check in with you. The moment they look back and check in with you, you're going to mark with yes, and you're going to hand feed them. Okay, and then repeat the process. So you're going to ask your dog for a sit, you're going to mark with yes, throw the food so they get up, and then as soon as they orientate back towards you, you're going to mark with yes and hand feed them. Now it's really important here that you don't encourage them or say their name, or if they're on lead, tug on the lead, to encourage them and to make them look at you. We want them to do this through their choice. We want it to be their decision that looking back to you pays off and is better than scanning the environment for what's going on. Okay, if your dog is really struggling, then you can change the weight on your feet a little bit, or you can give them some little kissy noises, like just to encourage them slightly that they need to look back at you, but no tugging on the lead or calling their name. We want it to be their decision. They will learn very quickly that by looking back to you pays off and is much better than scanning the environment. Okay, so I'm just going to go through that once more. You're going to ask your dog for a sit, you're going to mark with yes, you're going to throw the food, your dog's going to then eat the food, and the moment they orientate, look back towards you, you're going to mark with yes and hand feed, and you're going to repeat that process. You're going to do this in the house first and then in the garden, and once they've got it and they are reliably doing it, you can then take it out on your walks. And the videos to follow will just give you some examples of dogs doing this little game.